Alright guys, so I'm at the mechanic fixing my car. Woo woo! Can't wait, I miss my car. So here it is. Yeah, I need a good engine wash here. So far is a... Hey bye! Aiden, go in the car. Go in the car, Aiden. Go in the car. Alright guys, so I just left the workshop and I walk into one of the stores to buy. I need to buy also bearings and a belt for the car. So it's just about 6 houses away from the workshop, so I'm walking down Duncan Street here now. So the store I'm going to is called 4R. There's where I'm going to get the bearings and the belt. I used to live on Duncan Street. Alright, so we reached 4R now, so they open?
Yeah, before we go away.
Yeah, sanitize.
We're filming 4R.
I'm flaming my life wherever I go.
You just take it from there.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, well, bring over the receipt so we can X over here.
Yeah, they're the same two feet.
Yeah.
This belt and the bearing, he said must got the same fat thing or whatever in the middle.
Two this.
Yeah.
Like a partner.
So guys, I got my bearings and the belt, so I'm walking back now to the mechanic shop. And this is on Duncan Street, Camberville. Aiden. Alright guys, so while the car fixing, I used to live on Duncan Street. I remember he had a nice Chinese restaurant that sell nice food, so I'm gonna buy Chinese food for dinner. I'm gonna eat Chinese but a whole year now, but I'm gonna buy them today. Chinese? Oh?
Yeah.
Can I have a mixed fried rice?
Miss Fried Rice?
Yeah, leg and thigh, right?
1040, yeah.
1040? Okay. Where is my money? Oh. There you go. Okay. So I'm gonna wait on my food now while it's cooking. Alright, thanks. So guys, I got my Chinese food. Woohoo! It's gonna be so delicious because I used to buy it years ago. Hope it still got the same taste. More nice, man. And I like and stuff. Oh, yeah, so nice. I just top it up with the 1040 oil.
That's possible.
guys, so the car is fixed. Yeah. I'm so happy my car is fixed. Yeah. So oh gosh, I was to buy some water, them big 5-gallon bottle, but I forgot to walk with the bottles. So, but anyhow, I gotta come back tomorrow. I'm not gonna buy my cake stuff today. I'm gonna buy it tomorrow instead. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take my mama and baby to buy them some cone. Yeah. Let's go and buy some cone now. And probably like a small bottle of water to last us till tomorrow when I go home and get the big bottle. So I'll see you at the ice cream place, guys. Alright guys, so now I'm driving down Crow Street. I meant to go to Durban Street, so I'm just gonna drive straight down Crow Street instead. This is the view of Crow Street, guys. Over there on your right hand side is South Road. This side is Crow Street. In the middle of the road. I wanted to go to Chitin too, but I'm gonna go there tomorrow. Yeah, I have a lot of things to make tomorrow. I want to do my key grocery shopping tomorrow. Can't do it today. So, we're in breakdown right now. From the other street there. Heading into Durban Street. In this corner is what? I forget the name of this corner here. But the same corner with the Merriman Parlor. Federal. Yeah, that's coming up on your right hand side. The guys now who's nourishing my eyebrow is here, so I'm gonna shave my eyebrow today. Woohoo! I haven't shaved it like I think like 2 weeks I haven't shaved it, so I'm gonna take you guys along and let you guys see.
And the guys in the up and up out there has outlined a list of offenses that are now true. Happy birthday to my brother Dustani down there at iBet Supreme, celebrating his birthday today. Wish you all the best as you celebrate today. To exhibit a license, a vehicle license for your motor vehicle. Unlit motor vehicles in front and the rear, and unlit bicycles or motorcycles.
Safety at all times. We ask when traveling in our taxis, you wear your mask and sanitize your hands for the comfort, reliability, and safety you are accustomed to. Foster Taxi Service and 2900.
Mother,
we have you covered.
come. Okay guys, so I finished shaving my eyebrows, so this is how it's looking right now. I like this one side. This one side look good, but this one side always give me problem. Alright guys, so when I leave here, I'm going to buy some cone and head home. I had a long day. Tomorrow I'm going to get a long day as well. I have so much things to do. Alright, see you guys at the ice cream place. I come to buy my lotto, guys. Can I get a lotto and call the number? Lotto. Yeah. 136. Is that cone? A cup cream.
That's it?
And a, and a milkshake.
Anna.
Milkshake.
That's one of
Large. You have pint tart? Okay. We got chicken patty. How much you want? Alright. It's cool. So guys, I got my Banks milkshake. So good. When I small, I used to like drinking this milkshake. Haven't drank it in a while, but it tastes real good. Alright guys, I'm on my way home now. So see you at home. Guys, look what I have here. A mix Chinese fried rice. Yum 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 yum. Oh God, I can't wait to eat this. So guys, I'm here eating my fried rice. Wow. This is good, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy watching today's video with me fixing my car, shaving my eyebrow, and buying some Chinese food. Alright, tomorrow video is me going and grocery shop for my cake recipes. Alright guys, so see you in the next vlog and take care and bye guys.